Hi, Peace Squad. What's popping? Welcome back to our beautiful YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So I'm back with an interesting recipe for a beetroot detox. Yes, so you're gonna be using just two simple ingredients. But if you have milk or oat milk, you can add it, but it's very optional. So don't feel ashamed if it lacks in your diet, in your ingredients. So welcome to today's recipe. So here I have my beetroots. I've not yet washed them. I'm just giving you a preview of our ingredients, and then I'll be using my blender because I don't have a juicer. But if you have a juicer, that's what's best for this smoothie. So I hope you're going to enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Very first step, you're gonna be washing our beetroots or our beets. But before we continue, what color is a beetroot? Like, is it red, is it pink, or is it purple? To be honest, there is so a lot of controversies when it comes to what color is a beetroot. For me, I will say it's pink. For some, they will say it is vibrant red. So at times it looks like purple. So let me know in the comments, what color do you think is a beetroot? So yeah, let's thoroughly wash them, of which that's the beetroot. Now when it comes to peeling off the skin, it now depends on you as a person, but for me, I'll be peeling off the skin since it's my first time interacting with a beetroot, and I don't know if the reception will be good, so I just have to like peel them off. But let me tell you a short story. As a child growing up, I've always been the, ew, mommy, I don't want that. It looks so weird. It's dirty. Blah blah blah. I've always been picky when it came to fruits and vegetables. So right now is when I'm dealing with the consequences. You guys, as an adult, it's catching up with me at the moment because I'm just having so many issues. Maybe when it comes to skin, when it comes to blah blah blah. So I'm really dealing with the consequences right now. So for me, I'm gonna peel it because I'll also blend it, and I don't want a lot of residue. Yes, because I also don't have a professional or a strong blender. So I have to peel them off. Yeah, as you can see, it's reddish, it's pinkish. I don't know. Yeah. So I just told myself that my kids from a very tender age, akunacha, I you mommy, I don't want that. You'll eat it by force because it's healthy. So I'll be very, very concerned about, very, very strict when it comes to fruits with my children, so that growing up they don't have a lot of issues that they could have prevented at an early tender age, because the body is usually ready to and very, very young to take in the nutrients and utilize it well compared to adulthood. So now we're gonna be chopping it into that. We're gonna be dicing it into pieces that will be able to be blended. So I'll be using a banana as well, because okay, the importance of a banana in a smoothie, one, it's a sweetener, and also next it makes it thick. Yeah, as you all know, bananas helps make a smoothie thick. So yeah, so next thing I will peel off the banana skin, and then I'll be using two bananas, but I bit off half of it. This beetroot that I'm showing you over here, I guess it was not ripe, it was raw. As I'm telling you, it is my very first time to interact with beetroots. I have never ever used beetroots in my whole life, so this is the very first time I am taking a beetroot. So that one, it was whitish, so I guess it was not yet ready, so we'll only vibe with one, so our juice is gonna be less. So now I'll just cut the bananas into small pieces, and then put them all in a blender. Yeah, so let me give you a few benefits of a beetroot. Okay, beetroot in general is good for your brain, it's good for your heart, and for the digestive system. That's just an overall overview of the benefits of a beetroot. But now it also has some side advantage, or some side benefits. Maybe for the skin, it also has vitamin C, so it's it also has some side benefits like brightening the skin, because it has vitamin C content, which helps to reduce pigmentation and blemishes. It will give your skin a natural glow. It also helps fighting acne and pimples. Also has some anti-aging properties. It also hydrates dry skin. For me, I personally have dry skin. It also detoxifies the skin. Yeah, it has some it's rich in antioxidants, and it also reduces pigmentation. So I've already peeled everything off. Now it's just time to head to the blender, blend everything up. Also note that if you're not using a juicer, make sure you try and sieve your juice or your smoothie, because it's gonna have some residue. Sometimes it depends. If your blender is not the strong one, you just have to sieve it before you just take in any weird residue. So yeah, please note that you just don't just drink it. Yeah, so yeah, I think I've talked too much, so I hope you're going to enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share, and also leave a super thanks and share this recipe with anyone who is struggling with skin. For all those who have been here for a long time, you know that I am struggling with my skin, and then one day I'm gonna get there.
2,000 years later.
Smoothie time. Our smoothie is here looking all thick and very beautiful and very tasty. It looks really tasty. Look at how it just looks. Look at how it's flowing. Look at the consistency. It's really amazing. So yeah, this is a drink this is a smoothie I would advise you to try because personally I can give attest to it that it works because the day I took this cup of Beetroot, my heart felt very brand new and it felt like an infant's heart because I really felt so nice. I felt a difference. Yeah, so make sure you try it out and give me a review.